Today's I will explain in the stocks something special. Here you can see today's return, the stocks, how much return the stocks make and how much price the stocks trade at this moment. $308 price, traded price in the stocks at this moment per share. And here you can see last 5 days return and last 1 month return and last 6 month. In the last 6 months these stocks make approx 11% return. Hey, I am not to telling you to buy or sell the stocks. I just break down the numbers so you can decide smarter. Here you can see year to date return which is 13%, which is very good, not a bad. But if you see the last 1 year's return, that means 35% return. And if the Apple stocks give 35% return, that means good. But if you see the last 5 years, these stocks only make money 12. And if you see the whole return, that means 1925x return. That means 1,92,000% return the stocks make to investor and give us. You can think. But always do your own research before investing. Follow for more US stocks breakdown.